Hello everyone. I hope you guys are fine. In this video I will show you how to make these 3 types of stroke animation. You can use the techniques to your projects. I will also show you a simple trick to make your animation cool in less time. So let's get started. On your canvas, create a circle by the circle tool, then convert it to a path by going to Path, Object to Path. If you don't know how this path operations works, then I will link a video that will show you how these works. If you are an Inkscape user, then you should be able to work with these operations. Anyway, after converting it into a path, select the object and right-click on it, then choose Path Effects. We are gonna use the dash path effect. Open the property of it and make the size bigger. As you can see, it looks like a stroke effect now. We are gonna animate the rotation of it. If you don't know how to animate in Enve, then watch the beginner tutorial that I made. After animating it, we are gonna make it smoother by smoothing the graph editor in Enve. Again, if you don't know how to use the graph editor, then watch the video for it on my channel. Okay, it looks smoother now. Duplicate the object and scale it. Duplicate the object and scale it again. Now select all the objects and group it by pressing Ctrl+G. Now duplicate the group, and here is the trick that will save your ass. Instead of doing the whole thing again, go to the group scale property and just input a minus on its x-axis property. Scale it down a little bit and boom, you got the animation on the opposite direction. Note that this trick will not work unless the object or the objects are on a group. This trick will save a lot of time, trust me. Now duplicate both the groups again and play with the scale property, and you will get the first stroke animation. For the second stroke animation, we are going to create a path by the path tool. Then increase the width. Now we are going to add another path effect, and this time we are gonna choose the subpath effect. Now go to the subpath effect property and turn on animating for both minimum and maximum. That will automatically create a keyframe. Now put the value for both of them to 0. Move further of your timeline and increase both of them. Just make the length according to your liking. Keep animating it and make the last keyframe 100 on both of them, and you are done. Now this looks good, but it can be better by smoothing the keyframes in Graph Editor. Just select all the keyframes and select the segment curve option. Now the Graph Editor works completely different than the usual graph on Path Effects and on some other point. If you want a tutorial for it, then please comment below. For the last stroke animation style, just do the subpath effect steps again, but keep in mind that the difference between both minimum and maximum length should be same from going 0 to 100. In example, the first keyframe of both of them is 0, then I put the second keyframe 10 and 20. Like this, all the keyframes will have exact difference between minimum and maximum length. I hope you understand it. Now go to the Fill and Stroke panel and choose Brush in the stroke type. You can get different result just by changing the brush type. The brushes are from a different software called My Paint. So select this brush and decrease the width of it, then go to the stroke curves setting and make it like this. Just by playing with the settings you will get a different stroke style. Make the curves like this and you will get the last stroke animation. That's it. I hope this techniques will help you on your animation. Thank you for watching this video and give it a like if it helps you, and comment below if you want a tutorial on a specific animation. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye bitch.